Hey everyone, I listened to quite an extraordinary interview yesterday. So I just wanted to chat a little bit about it, and then you can go and find it. And once again, please remind me and I'll try to put a link into here, but I'm having issues technology-wise, left, right and center. You know, my Facebook's disappeared, my credit card's been hacked, yada, yada, yada. So lots of fun at the ranch. But it was an interview with a guy called Dr. Fleming, and it was by the High Wire interview, and it is really, really, really well worth a listen. It's about an hour long, and I listened to it twice because to me there was new information in here that even though a lot of it I knew, he actually had all sorts of. This Dr. Fleming has been researching for the past 12 months. He's got 50 years experience as a researcher, doctor, cardiologist, really smart guy, and a trainer, teacher. You know, he's up there with people who have developed things that have saved, you know, countless lives over the years through better testing systems and all sorts of things. So, as he put it, you know, back in 2019, everything changed and his research took on a different path. So what he was looking for was things like the isolation of and whether or not it had been done. He said absolutely it has, and he gave all sorts of background information on that. So I'm not going to talk about it because, you know, let's face it, censorship is at an all-time high, and, you know, already it's a challenge getting these things up. So anyway, basically they were talking about whether things are man-made or not, and this doctor has a lot of evidence, and also discussed as well, and how it is creating issues. And he so it was a really interesting thing, and I think for everyone, if you can find that interview and check it out, really amazing before they pull it down. And then the other thing is that this Dr. Fleming is going to be doing a 3-hour interview on maybe the 5th or 6th of June, but he's going to look into medically, because of course everything's getting suppressed. So he's going to look in what can be done medically if someone gets coronavirus, what they can do if they have reactions after the JAB, and what can be done to stop the person-to-person transfection. So really well worth a listen. I highly recommend listening to it. Like I said, I listened to it a couple of times, and really amazing interview. And to me, it just sort of, once again, flipped a few of the things that I had heard throughout the year on their heads, gave really good evidence, and just a really great interview. Okay, have a great day.